Hey guys, what's up? I'm Cam from the session team, and we have just dropped a major release. I'm talking a total upgrade to disappearing messages. There's three major things that have changed, and I'm going to run you through them right now. So the first major change is flexible TTL, or time to live. All session messages previously had a default 14-day TTL on the session network, at which point they were deleted and only existed on your device locally for security reasons. Following this update, disappearing messages have an invisible note attached to them, which means that once they are set to disappear from your device, they will also disappear from the network, leaving no trace. The second major change is the addition of a disappear after read option along with the existing disappear after send option. This one is pretty self-explanatory, but it's also a very powerful feature. You will now have the option for a message to disappear from your conversation at a set time after it has been read by the recipient, as well as a set time after you have sent it. The third major change is one that I think is pretty interesting and useful, which is per user settings. Previously, disappearing messages worked on a per conversation basis. So if I and you were in a conversation, there will be one set of disappearing message settings. We can now have different disappearing message settings that are independent to one another, meaning you might set yours to 5 minutes and I might set mine to 1 hour. This feature really adds a lot of flexibility to the way that you can use disappearing messages and allows you to customize session to your personal threat model. So those are the three main things that have changed with Disappearing Messages v2, and if you haven't already updated, you should go do it right now so that you can enjoy these great new features. We're also working on an overhaul to the way that group chats work as well, so keep your eyes peeled for that because we'll be talking about that a bit soon. And check out the description for a blog post on this update because there's a bunch more juicy info in there. Thanks.